Hey guys, it's Danny here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always it is a pleasure to join you. Today we're going to do a chemistry multiple choice question from the November 2019 Grade 12 Physical Sciences, Paper 2. This question deals with a system in equilibrium represented by this balanced chemical equation of the three gases hydrogen, bromine, and hydrogen bromide. The question then tells us that the volume of the container is decreased, which increases the pressure of the gases. And it then asks us to determine how the amount and concentration of the product, hydrogen bromide, changes with this disturbance. To answer this question, you need to recall Le Chatelier's principle. If a system in equilibrium is disturbed, the equilibrium position will shift to oppose the disturbance and re-establish equilibrium. In this case, the disturbance is an increase in pressure. So to oppose this increase in pressure, the reaction that produces fewer molecules would be favored to decrease the number of molecules per unit volume of the container. If we look at the balanced equation, we see that there are 2 moles of reactants and also 2 moles of products. So the same number of molecules will be produced in the forward reaction as the reverse reaction, and that means that neither would be favored. So let's look at our options. The disturbance does not favor the forward or reverse reactions, so the system will remain in equilibrium, and that means that the amount of hydrogen bromide will remain the same. That restricts our options to C and D. The second change we're asked to determine is the change in concentration of the hydrogen bromide. The concentration refers to the number of gas particles per unit volume of the container, and the volume decreases. So that means that the number of gas particles per unit volume is going to increase, and that will increase the concentration of the gas. So our answer is given by option C. Before I go, I'd like to say a very special thank you to our epic sponsor for making this video possible. Read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. If you can't find the answer to your question, you can send us the question and we'll respond with a personalized video just for you. Until next time, stay epic.